Welcome to the blockchain finance. Today I will be showing the Bitcoin price action in the near term, in the next 1 to 2 weeks, and then in the long term, what is my bottom target. So we can go to the chart now. Okay. Yeah. So if we see we can see this in the currently in the next few in the previous few months. So Bitcoin is forming this parallel channel quite nicely. So if we see it acted as resistance here, support here, support here. This line was acting as support, but once it broke in the FTX collapse, once the FTX collapsed, FTX news was there. So this trend line was broke and it closed below this line, so it was a confirm. So once it started this red line, so I started sorting it. So I got this move around 13 to 14% with 20x leverage, 13 into 20. So I made like 2.5x, 3.5x. So currently it is acting as a resistance here also. If you see how to get the confirmation, so we can go one time frame lower. So see this, this was a bullish, so it was a bullish candle. So but the seller's fuel is over here, so it seems to form a red candle. So I will wait for 1 to 2 days, so just to check if there is a green candle, if this forms a green candle, but again a red candle, so that will confirm a retest of this, and then we can again sort. So let's see what's the next support area till which point the Bitcoin can go in the near term. So with the FTX collapse, there are multiple companies so which are under pressure to file for the bankruptcy. Like yesterday we saw the Genesis and Gemini exchange has also halted the withdrawal. So there is so much negativity in the market. So with the sentiments, everyone is sorting. So that's holding up this price. So if everyone wants the same move, that is holding that price, which is bad. So maybe we can see a bounce, but to liquidate those short sellers, and then we can see a major downfall, or we can directly see a major downfall. Also, one more thing to keep in mind, that on 24th November, so there is the US Halloween day. This is the US Halloween day on 24th November. So on the holidays, US holidays, the market likes to make big moves. So if you go in the Bitcoin past, so if you search for any big moves, so mostly they have occurred on the holidays. So people love to make these big moves on holidays. So just wait for 24th. I think this will be a very huge crash here. So let's find out the next support where it can go. So I can go over to 3 days. So if you see, this was acting as a support, this line. So first one is I guess this one is broken, this one is there, so this is also broken, nearly it is on that line. So we can see this one. So next one is this line. So we can see the price fall to 13.5k around. So if that also breaks, then we can go to this one, 11.9. It is also acting as resistance here. So it is better as compared to this Apple line. So 11,000, 12,000. So that is the first target. And so in the long term, if you see, if that breaks, there is also if you see the long term where the price can go. So if we see this, we can go to extends lines, right? Can predict this line. So if we connect these two dots, so it will give us the target. So for next, so this is a big move. So but good thing is we are approaching towards the bottom, around 50 to 50% drop in Bitcoin still can happen. So 8 to 9,000 is the bottom target. In next I think 5 to 6 months it will play out. This 8 to 9,000. So I will start accumulating it once it reaches around that, or I will start accumulating it in this zone. Okay, so this will be my buying zone. So I will mostly buy the altcoins once Bitcoin is near this in this zone. So I will not accumulate Bitcoin because Bitcoin is trash. It has very low price action, means low price growth. What it can do mostly, if suppose 10,000 to 100,000, it can do a 10x in 3-4 years. But alts can do 100x, 1000x. So we'll go for that. But we'll keep the Bitcoin as the macro indicator where the market is likely to move. Bitcoin is the king in this market. Okay, let's see how it plays out. So just wait for this 24th November. We might see a major downfall, and it is this trend line is So if we go to 1 day, this trend line is acting as a major resistance. So currently the price is hovering around this resistance line. So we are not seeing very bullish candles here. So this is also a sign of weakness. So we might see that on this weekend, on the 24th, this Thursday, Friday, this Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So this week is going to be quite bad for Bitcoin. Okay, yeah, let's see how it plays out. I will see you in the once we see the price action. I will upload a new video. Thanks for watching.